Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, I am very happy that my colleague has brought this resolution on the formation of National Security Council and I fully support it. There has always been the need for defense debates, and even from that point of view, I welcome this particular resolution. Defense, unfortunately, has not been discussed enough in this country. That is the main reason why all our policies have been lopsided right from the inception. I, being a member of the armed forces, and my friend have been there, and we used to watch helplessly when correct perspectives were put forward by our respective chief, whether it was the army chief or the naval chief or the air force chief. The defense ministry have been dilly-dallying. A glaring example of this is the Jaguar deal. In 1972, after the Chief of Air Staff, after much discussion, put forward this proposal. But we saw how they have been dilly-dallying about it, and we went in for it when the British Airspace Company was disbanded in 1978. If we had purchased it in 1972, the cost of the Jaguar would have been rupees 1.5 crores. Finally, we bought it at a cost of rupees 10 lakhs in 1978, and that too when the aircraft was getting slightly obsolete. So, discussions on defense, I think, is a good thing. Our defense ministry has been the most secretive ministry in the world. They have always kept away from the country and from parliament about the things which the country should know, which the country should discuss, and which the country should debate. We have been putting many questions on the armed forces in this house. I have been asking very simple questions like the replacement of transport, aircraft, etc. But the reply which I got from the defense ministry was, I am directed to inform you that the question has been disallowed on grounds of secrecy. What is so secret? Secrets are the war plans when your army has to move from one place to another during war time. But these days are of satellites. Satellites are going around the world. All our defense establishments are photographed. All your material is in the defense magazines of the world. It is not secret. We would like to participate. Rupees 6,000 crores are spent on defense annually. Stop.